Are you searching for the best bench multimeter? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best bench top multimeter in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1. OWON Portable Bench Multimeter. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Small size, diverse functions, good-looking and powerful. Number 2. New VC8145 Digital Bench Top Multimeter. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3. OWON XDM1241 Portable Bench Built-in Battery Digital Multimeter. About this item: 3.5-inch, 480 by 320, high-resolution LCD, 55,000 counts, DC voltage accuracy up to 0.05%, up to 65 readings per second, true RMS AC voltage, current measurement, dual-line display supported. Number 4. EaseTester Benchtop Digital Multimeter. The digital multimeter is equipped with a 3.5-inch color display screen, which is powerful enough to provide greater coverage of content, flexible display of a variety of graphical interface, and good display effects. The users can also customize the display interface depending on their needs, and choose from various display functions such as graphics, figures, maths, and other functions simultaneously on the screen. Biparameter display can display 2 parameters in one input signal, such as display AC voltage value and AC frequency value during AC voltage measurement. Conduct remote operation through interfaces of IEEE 488, ET3260, RS232, LAN and USB device, with functions of trigger input and output of measuring completion. The front panel menu is with USB port for data storage. Procedure updating and configuration. Customers can update host software by themselves. 2-wire and 4-wire measurement for resistance, 10 ohms and 1 G-omega measurement range for extension, measurement of period and frequency can reach to 300 kHz. Capacitance measurement. For temperature measurement, users can set sensor measurement by themselves. Maximum current measurement capacity reaches up to 12A. Many math functions. Statistics, maximum value, minimum value, and average value. Zero elimination, dB, dBm and limit. Graphic display, tendency chart, histogram, history curve, listing and other display methods, with internal and external calibration functions. Number 5. Rigol DM3068 Benchtop Digital Multimeter. DM3068 is a digital multimeter designed with 6.5 digits readings resolution, especially fitting to the needs of high precision, multifunction, and automatic measurement. It adopts many today's new technologies to achieve high performance, abundant features in the same class. It's designed to aim at the requirements of the largest DMM market from the research, education, industrial electronics, consumer electronics, and automotive industries with its innovative technology, industry-leading specifications, powerful measurement functions and broad analysis capabilities. The model DM3068 DMM gives reliable, cost-effective, full DMM capabilities measuring DCV, ACV, DCI, ACI, resistance, 2-4-wire, capacitance, diode test, frequency, and temperature. These DMMs are designed for simple and efficient benchtop use, but include software options for data logging and remote programming from almost any interface. The DM3068 is a great bench tool for high performance, reliable measurements, but also a new high-speed data acquisition option for many measurement challenges. Features and benefits: 6.5-digit benchtop digital multimeter with USB, LXI, GPIB, and RS232 interfaces standard, True 6.5-digit resolution, minimum integration time is 0.006 PLC for more than 8,000 measurements per second. True RMS AC voltage current measurements. View real-time measurement trending or histograms from the front panel.